Hello, this is Neil Plummer with MarineMax Clearwater and Intrepid Powerboats. Today I'd like to take you on a walkthrough of our new 2025 41 PANACEA. She is powered with Mercury V10 400s, joystick controlled, with color changing underwater lights. Enter through the port side dive door, and you do have a ladder stowed beneath there. Folding aft bench seat, dual live wells port and starboard, and you have an aft transom walkthrough as well. Summer kitchen, and the hardtop, there's a sunshade that deploys. Kitchen's got a Kenyan electric grill, freshwater sink, prep area, storage drawers, huge pull-out cooler, and of course the refrigerator. She's equipped with outriggers. The helm, you have twin 22-inch Garmin displays. She does have radar, thru-hull transducer. There's your joystick with your autopilot and Skyhook, as well as your bow thruster controls. VHF radio, along with your cell charging station. You have another one to port as well. Helm is air conditioned. See the vents there. 3 really nice helm seats. The floor is electrically actuated, so it will elevate, give you a better view up to the bow. Got a great area to hang out here. Beautiful dual loungers. This seat back here is actuated, so it'll fold forward, so you have seating here if you're dining or hanging out with the family and friends. These seat backs here are electrically actuated. Those come up too, and then behind the back rests are rod storage on both sides. And towards the bow, you've got a large locker in there, and both of these sun pads lift up on port and starboard, giving you more storage. Great fender storage. Another one on this side. She's got a trash receptacle and hooks for lines. You'll see she is equipped. We did a really nice JL audio system on this boat. Sounds great. Freshwater shower. Take you into the cabin. This is a side entry. Beautiful wood floors. Got your berth. The dinette station now. The dinette lowers electrically. You got a filler cushion there. Sleeps 2 easily. Got a Kenyan cooked flat burner stove. Freshwater sink. Great storage, refrigerator, microwave. Beautiful cabinetry. Starboard, we've got a large cedar hanging locker. Stereo control. Also goes through the Garmin displays. Vacuum flush head. Shower. Obviously air conditioning down here as well as the helm. Beautiful boat, available now here at our Clearwater store on US 19. If you have any questions, please give me a call. Neil Plummer, MarineMax Clearwater, 904-236-8431. Thank you.